Welcome to Robotic Vacuum Cleaner Review 2017. Infinova QQ2 Basic Robotic Vacuum Cleaner, vacuum, sweep, and sterilize 3-in-1 automatic robot for cleaning dirt, dust and pet hair on hard floors. Robotic BL618 Quiet Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. Vacuums, sweeps, mops with UV light sterilization for hardwood, tile, and linoleum. EcoVax Robotic Vacuum Cleaner with mop and water tank, automatic floor cleaning robot, DBIT N78. Bob Sweet Pet Hair Robotic Vacuum Cleaner and Mop, Rouge. iRobot Roomba 650 Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. Thanks for watching. For more update please subscribe our channel. Welcome to Robotic Vacuum Cleaner Review 2017. Infinova QQ2 Basic